Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. Welcome back to class 11 microeconomic class. We were discussing the topic demand from the chapter consumer behavior. So we have already discussed about the meaning of demand, the law of demand and the determinants of demand. In the last class we saw the relationship between the demand and its factors or determinants. Okay. So today we would focus on another concept related to demand. So let's watch the video. Students, look at the screen. You can see two concepts. Change in quantity demanded and change in demand. Students, is there any difference between these two concepts? Sometimes your answer may be no. But children, these two concepts are entirely different. So let us find out what is the difference of change in quantity demanded and change in demand. First of all, discuss about what is change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded refers to a change in specific quantity of a commodity is caused by a change in its price, the other thing being equal. That means change in quantity demanded is caused by change in its price is known as change in quantity demanded. Then it assuming that other thing, that is other factors being equal or unchanged. That we have already discussed in the law of demand. Okay. So it is also known as movement along demand curve. That means there is no new demand curve is drawn. Then there are two types of change in quantity demanded: extension or expansion of demand and contraction of demand. So the two types of change in quantity demanded are extension and contraction. So first one, extension or expansion of demand. So it refers to an increase in demand of a commodity is caused by a decrease in the price of commodity, assuming that other factors remaining constant. We know that there is a negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. If demand of a commodity increases due to decrease in price, that situation is known as extension of demand. Okay. Then the assumption of law of demand is other factors that determining demand are constant or unchanged. Okay. So what is the extension of demand? Increase in demand due to fall in price. That is extension of demand. So in the diagram we can see the extension of demand. So the extension of demand is shown by the movement from upper point to lower point. So there is a downward movement on the same demand curve. So if the price fall from 20 to 50, the quantity demanded increased from 100 to 150. So the point shifts from A to B, but it happens on the same demand curve. Okay, that is the extension of demand. Increase in demand due to decrease in price. That is the extension of demand. Then the next type of quantity change in quantity demanded is contraction of demand. So it is just opposite of expansion of demand. So it refers to fall in demand of a commodity due to rise in the price, assuming other factors being equal. So what is the contraction of demand? Fall in demand due to rise in price. Then assuming other factors, other determinants of demands are being equal or unchanged. So that situation is known as contraction. Okay, contraction of demand. So this diagram shows the contraction of demand. So it is shown by movement from lower point to upper point. So there is a upward movement. Contraction means decrease in or fall in demand. But in demand curve, it is a upward movement. Why? Because if price increases from 20 to 25, what happened to demand? Demand will decrease. From this diagram, demand decreases from 100 to 17. So the point A moved to point B. So there is a upward movement of points. So the upward movement of points on the same demand curve is known as contraction of demand. So it indicates fall in demand of commodity due to rise in price. So that is contraction of demand. So change in quantity demanded means what? It refers to change in quantity demanded due to change in price, and it has two types. They are expansion and contraction. Expansion means rise in demand due to decrease in price, and contraction of demand means fall in demand due to rise in price. Then the next concept is change in demand. What do you mean by change in demand? Change in demand refers to a change in demand due to change in factors other than price. So we have learned about the determinants of demand. What are the determinants of demand? Price of the commodity, price of related goods, price of income of the consumer, then expectation about future, then taste and preference of the consumer, size of the market, then distribution of income, and also season. These are the determinants or the factor which affect demand. So, change in demand due to change in other factors. Okay, not price but other factors is known as change in demand. Okay, so it also refers to shift in entire demand curve from old one to new curve. There are also two types of change in demand. They are, first one, increase in demand. So it refers to an increase in the demand of commodity due to change in factors other than price. So if there is any increase in demand without change in price is known as increase in demand. Okay. So the causes of increase in demand are increase in income in the case of normal goods, decrease in income in the case of inferior goods, that we have already discussed in the previous class. What is the effect of increase or decrease in the income on normal and inferior good? Then increase in price of substitute goods, decrease in the price of complementary goods, taste and preference in favor of the commodity, then expectation of price rise in future, increase in size of population, equal distribution of income, and favorable season. So all these are leads to increase in demand. So what is increase in demand? Increase in demand due to factors other than price. Okay. So if there is any change in quantity demanded without any change in price is known as increase in demand. Okay. Then next is, so this is the diagram of increasing demand. Here the price is not changing. It is same price but demand curve is shifting to right. So rightward shift of demand curve is known as increase in demand. So it is happened due to other change in other factors of demand, not due to price but due to other factors. So here a new demand curve will drawn. Okay. So the price is same but demand curve is shift from left to right. Okay. So this is the increase in demand. The next type of change in demand is decrease in demand. Okay. So what is decrease in demand? When the demand of the commodity falls due to change in factors other than price. So it is called decrease in demand. It's just opposite of increase in demand. That is decrease in the demand of the commodity due to change in factor other than price. Okay. That is the decrease in demand. So what are the factors or what are the causes of decrease in demand? That is decrease in the income in the case of normal goods, increase in income in the case of inferior goods, then decrease in price of substitute goods, increase in price of complementary goods, taste and preference against commodity, then expectation of price fall in future, the decrease in size of population, unequal distribution of income and unfavorable season. All this leads to decrease in demand, whether the price is same. Okay. So the decrease in price can shown with the diagram. Here it can shown by a leftward shift in demand curve at the same price. So price is not changing, at the same time demand curve shift to left. Okay, from D1 to D2. So this leftward shift of demand curve is known as decrease in demand. So it indicates the changes happen due to, the change in demand happen due to the other factors, not due to price. So this is the situation of decrease in demand. Okay students, I hope understood. So let us find out the difference between increase in or change in quantity demanded and change in demand. What is the difference between these two concepts? So change in quantity demanded. Change in quantity demanded means change in demand due to change in price. That is known as change in quantity demanded. At the same time, change in demand means the change in demand due to factors other than price. So, for example, income of the consumer, price of related goods, etc. So, this is the change in demand. There are two types of change in quantity demanded. They are extension of demand and contraction of demand. At the same time, in the case of change in demand, the types are increase in demand and decrease in demand. So, what is the difference between extension of demand and increase in demand? In both cases, demand is increasing. In the case of extension of demand, the demand of a commodity rises due to fall in price. That is the reason for the increase in demand. But at the same time, increase in demand means what? There is also a rise in demand due to other factors, not due to price. That is the difference between extension of demand and increase in demand. Then what about contraction of demand and decrease in demand? Both are what? In the both cases, demand is decreasing. But in first case, that is in contraction of demand, demand decrease due to rise in price. At the same time, decrease in demand means there is a fall in demand due to other factors. So that is the difference. Then in change in quantity demanded, there is a movement along same demand curve. There is no new demand curve is drawn. There is movement along same demand curve. If it is extension, the point move from upward, top to bottom. There is a downward movement of points, and in the case of contraction, there is upward movement of points. But in the case of change in demand, there is a shift in demand curve. So, if there is increase in demand due to other factors, there is a rightward shift, and decrease in demand due to change in other factors, that leads to a leftward shift in demand curve. Okay. Then the law of demand is applicable in the case of change in quantity demanded, because the changes happen due to change in price. then assuming other factors or other determinants are constant. But at the same time, change in demand. In the case of change in demand, law of demand is not applicable. Why? Because here price is constant, but other factors, the change in demand due to other factors. Okay, students. So today we have discussed about what is the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand. So these are different concepts. So change in quantity demanded means, is there any change in demand due to change in price? That is known as change in quantity demanded. At the same time, change in demand means any changes happened in or it is carried out in the demand due to other factors, not due to price. Price is fixed, but if there is any change in demand due to other determinants of demand is known as change in demand. Okay, then there are two types of change in quantity demand, extension of demand and contraction of demand. And there are two types of change in demand, that are increase in demand and decrease in demand. Okay students, that was today's session. So children, you have to watch the URL, attend the test paper, download your notes and learn it well. See you in the next class. Bye.